Okay, so my brother, Dakota Numberg, is going to do the cinnamon challenge. As you can see, this is legit cinnamon. I promise you, it is not Nesquik. It is cinnamon straight from there. Okay? Here you go, buddy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let me see the spoon. There's still more. Okay, okay. Swallow it. Tastes like shit. Swallow it, come on. Ah, you suck. Well, you failed, obviously. Just get it out of your mouth, get water. Oh god, it smells. Shut up, Molly. I'll let you in here in a second.